Hello everyone, this is Dan from Tasco.com, and in today's video I want to go through the latest two updates that have been pushed into Raffle Play Woo plugin. So the latest one is at the checkout the user can actually change their raffle tickets. They can pick their own raffle tickets from all the available raffle tickets that are for the raffle. And the previous update was showing the bought tickets in the product uh, tab page. Okay, so another tab is going to be created here, and the latest raffle tickets that are bought for this raffle is going to be displayed in this table. Okay, so let's start with the latest update. As I was saying, this one, the users can actually, your customers or clients can change the raffle tickets at the checkout. So we have to use generate and display raffle tickets at the checkout. So initially they'll be given random generated tickets, and from there they can actually change it whenever they have this pen that is displayed on the right top side of the ticket. It means that customer can actually, your client can change the tickets for however they want to, whatever raffle ticket they want to change. So we're gonna be given the available tickets for this raffle. Okay, so they can actually, I put here a search input, and they can actually search on that. So once it's displayed, it's gonna change it. Okay, all this labeling can be customizable in the admin. I'm gonna show in just a moment. So every time when they click on a ticket, um, the available ticket is going to be pulled from the backend. Okay, so it's not going to be, imagine a scenario where someone is going to pick 21 and you have another customer on a different computer or different device and picks 21 at the same time. Okay, uh, once if that person is going to pick first, they're going to get a message that the tickets has been taken, and a new they have to generate a new list is going to be generated with the available tickets. Okay, so it is a bit tricky. It was initially was a bit of a challenge to display the tickets here because um, I couldn't display all the. I imagine if you have 10,000 tickets and you want to display them here, the document object modeling wasn't supporting a lot of tickets here. So I put this next 400. So if you have 10,000 or 20,000 or 30,000 tickets, now it's way easier to display them with this previous 400 and next 400. And I'm gonna show you exactly where this 400 number comes from. Okay, 400 is the number of available tickets per page here, right? So I can go next, next, next. Okay, so it was very hard to display 10,000 raffle tickets in a single page here, even if I had pagination. But anyway, I found a solution. Now it's working very smooth with this next, next, or previous, or with the search where someone can actually search for their desired ticket. Okay. Um, so let's get into how we're gonna set it up. So in the default raffle settings, I put another tab, user pick tickets at checkout, new in 6.3. And the first thing is show the number of tickets per page, and that's gonna be 400 in our case. I'm gonna change it to 100, and I'm gonna save it. And then everything that comes here is says a search text search button, placeholder, change to everything that is displayed at the checkout. Okay. Um, ticket not available anymore. This one will be when someone else has taken the ticket and the ticket is not available anymore. When no ticket is selected, no ticket is found when you search. Loading available tickets, cancel, next. So this is the part where next comes in. So next, and then percentage mark and S is going to be replaced with 100. You can actually, if you remove this one, the 100 is not going to be displayed anymore. So this is what I actually mean. Fresh. Um, So you see previous is not going to have 100 anymore. So even though, yeah, if I click on it, it's not going to go anywhere. Next, next. But now if I click previous, it's going to go back. So only the text was changed there. Okay, so you can put your own text in here, okay, based on your language. That's what I wanted to change. It's pretty simple. I've tested it 100 times. If you have any issues, let me know. We're gonna try to fix it with your teams. Sometimes if you have a different team installed, I, uh, you probably the CSS is gonna be looking a bit different than mine, but you can actually customize it the way you want. Um, you can have, okay, so what I said previously, you need to have generate and display raffle tickets at the checkout. So what do I mean by that? So in here, you need to have limited tickets, otherwise it's not going to be displayed. And then generate and show raffle tickets at the checkout enabled, and let customer pick tickets at the checkout. It has to be yes. Another important thing is that you need to have a background image, which I would say 100% of everyone that is using it, it has background image here um, for each ticket or raffle. Okay, so you need to have these three enabled in order for the tickets to be generated and displayed at the checkout. Okay, and I also recommend having um, the countdown displaying as well, because it creates an urge for the customer to actually change the raffle tickets and then finish the order. Okay, so in our case, so what happens, I think I said before, what happens if this one the countdown is gonna expire. We're gonna get back to that one in just a moment. Okay, shop. Um, the other feature that I want to talk about is display the raffle tickets. Okay, raffle ticket, raffle play. Okay, this one is a different raffle. Shop. Which one is it? Okay, this one. So this is a previous update that I had, and is displaying to make the raffle more transparent in a way, or to show your customers that some other people have bought raffle tickets. You can display a last sold tickets. You can customize this one, but what I do here is that I display and I use the first name and the last name, first letter of the last name as a name, and then the city, country, and when that ticket was sold or purchased, and how many raffle tickets they bought. Okay, so we can achieve that by going into general settings, and that is down here, product raffle tab, last sold, last ticket sold, and then we enable it here. And we have two different tables that we can show. We can show a data table like that one. This is a data table where people can actually check their names or the city, or um, sorry. Okay, so they have a search, they have a pagination. I think it has a pagination as well. Oh yeah, it has it here. So this is more fancier. They can have a sorting on columns and everything like that. But you can also have, uh, not this one is going to be a simple table as displayed in here. Um, and that's going to grow, and it's going to display all the tickets. No, and actually not all the tickets, depends how many you set up. So the latest ones that have been sold. Okay, um, right. So you have two tables you can actually put in, and then you have to put in the priority. So if you have multiple tabs in here, okay, like these ones or custom ones, you have to find the priority of your tab. Okay, in my case it's 20, and then show last orders limit. If I have -1, it means I'm going to display all the orders here, all of them. It doesn't really matter if it's 100 and 200 or 1000. I don't really recommend having -1 because it can load your website, so it can eat up some memory there. If I'm gonna put 3 here, it's gonna show only the last 3. So this is what I mean by that. The last 3, and you can say, last 3 sold tickets per order or something like that. Okay, it's this will be very easy on the system to pick up the last 3, or I had 100 or 200. No, not really 200, or yeah, or even 300. It's not gonna be that. But if you go thousands of orders, it's gonna be hard on the system with memory and processing. So, and then another thing is show customer name. If you're on the columns, to show the customer name or not, city or a country on was purchased, and then the labels: customer, city, country, sold. Uh, Sold hours ago is going to be displayed on hours, or sold on minutes ago is going to show on minutes. I'm going to show in just a moment. So yeah, it's a bit customizable in terms of, okay, so you know what, let's change last sold tickets. um, so we can say last sold 3 orders with raffle tickets. Okay, it wants to show only 3, okay, as we are saying here. And go ahead and refresh. And here you go. We have the tab, we have the tickets and everything sold. As shown, we've hidden the name and the country. Okay, we put on the city and the number of tickets. Right. So this is pretty much it. This is pretty simple. It helps your raffle with transparency and enhances like it gives you more trustworthiness of your raffle. Going back to our checkout, and I was saying before, what's going to happen after the countdown is expired. As you all know, tickets aren't reserved anymore, but can be purchasable after, right? So here they can actually finish, but they're not going to be, if the client finishes the order, they're not going to be able to change the tickets anymore. So one other thing they can do, what I mean here is that if they go to cart and then change the quantity, some people do that, right? Um, you can actually, the raffle tickets are going to be resetted. New ones are going to be displayed. So, okay, so what I do here, I'm going to put 20, um, 21, 22, and I'm gonna say I'm gonna put 3 zeros. I'm gonna pick 1000. Okay. So once they change that, as you can see, it's pretty simple to change unless someone is gonna take a lot of time. I really recommend putting the countdown. I think it's great because it creates a sense of urgency to finish the order. So let's add this one here. Developer code. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so let's finish this order pretty fast. So we pick 20, 21, 22, 1000. Okay, so we place the order, and here you go, 20, 21, 22, and 1000. I think the reason it's not showing the raffle and everything, I think we didn't do this part here. So include raffle name and say raffle tickets. Um, yeah, for a moment, just save this one like this. Refresh it. So now it's going to display our raffle tickets, what the raffle is, and the bag raffle. The bag raffle is the name of the raffle. Okay. So now we bought its tickets. Let's have a look at the shop, and in that page, page here, product, and now we can actually see 19 minutes ago. I think this is wrong. I should be saying 19 minutes ago. It shouldn't be saying 19 minutes, should be saying 19 seconds ago. Do we have a seconds? Less than an hour. Okay, so probably this is a mistake here. It should be showing minutes ago. It should be less than 1 minute ago. But anyway, um, let me see here if I refresh. Ah, okay. So probably it's a mistake. I'll look into it, but it should be 20 minutes ago. It should be like less than a minute ago. Okay. Anyway, you get the point. What I'm saying is that it's going to be displaying the latest one, and it's going to pick up this text here, uh, this text here, and for under 1 hour and on 24 hours ago. Okay, you get the point. I'll look into that and I'll fix it. So these two main updates. This is the latest one. The customer can change the raffle tickets at the checkout, but remember they need to have generate and reserve raffle tickets at the checkout and let customer pick. And the other one, it needs to have um, this enabled. It only works with the background image. Okay, I didn't want to put the edit under a simple text. So you get my point there. What else? I think that's it for the moment. I know a lot of people have been waiting for this update, and here it is. If you have any suggestions or anything like that, just let me know. Um, and yeah, we can keep in touch and um, see where we go from there. Okay. Thank you very much, and see you guys next time.